Welcome to KB Career Point. Before getting into exercise, second exercise of lines and angles, we will see some basic concepts. We will recall some basic concepts which we learned in our previous classes. Okay, this concepts only going to help us to solve the exercise, second exercise of lines and angles. Okay. So here you see parallel lines and transversals. Parallel line means I already told you it is a road like type. Two lines will go without here and there, not straight lines. Two lines will go. These are all parallel lines. And L is the transversal of this one. Here M and PQ are two lines. And L is the transversal, which we are calling as transversal means a line intersects two or more lines. This line L is intersecting this M and PQ at different points. See, different points it is intersecting. So this so this line L is called as transversal. Okay. So L is intersecting M and PQ in different points. So L is called as transversal. When this type of transversal is crossing means we can able to get some angles as equal. What are the angles means? Corresponding angles. First we will see. Corresponding angles how we will take. First you see. This line is coming. No. This line you take. In this line, this part and this L part. See. This L part is, what is the angles in this one? 1 and 5. And this type of L is 2 and 6. Then here you are seeing means 4 and 8. These are all equal. So angle 1 is equal to, see here, this part. More or less corresponding angles make L type. So some L type will come. So this is 1 and 2, angle 1 and 5 is equal. And then angle 2 and 6 is equal. Then angle 4 and 8 is equal. This is equal as well as this is also equal. Okay. Angle 4 and 8 is equal. And angle 3 and 7 is equal. These are all corresponding angles. Alternative interior angles means this will make some Z. Z type where it is there, that are all. So interior angles means this is our interior. So here see, this is our interior. 4 and 5 is equal. And this line, this side Z you are taking means 3 and 5 is equal. Angle 4 and 6 is equal. And this type Z we are taking means angle 3 and 5 is equal. And alternative exterior angles. Exterior angles means the Z outside. This part, Z outside is there. No, this 1 and this 7 is equal. This 1 and 7 is equal, as well as in this Z 2 and 8 is equal. Outside of that one. Z outside. So angle 1 and 7 is equal. Then angle 2 and 8 is equal. Then interior angles on the same side of transversal. So interior angle on the same side of transversal means that shape will come like this. Will come like this. Angle 4 and 5. So angle 4 and 5. These are all interior angles on the same side of transversal. If you are adding these two angles, that time it will produce 180 degree. Similarly, this side you are taking means 3 and 6. Angle 3 and 6 is 180 degree. So the sum of pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. They given as theorem to us. Okay. So when two lines are parallel, so parallel lines we can see, and when transversal is crossing there means we can able to use these all properties there. Corresponding angles, alternative interior angles, alternative exterior angles, interior angles on the same side of transversal. According to this properties only we are going to solve the second exercise of lines and angles. I hope you understand. Okay. So this is from exercise 6.2, the first sum. We are find the values of x and y values we are going to find, and then show that AB, the line AB is parallel to CD. So AB line is parallel to CD. We are going to prove. If parallel means that time it may be any properties it can bring, that means the exterior angles and alternative exterior angles, alternative interior angles, and corresponding angles, and interior angles of the same side of the transversal. Sum of the interior angles of the same side of the transversal is equal to 180 degree. Anything we can bring. Okay, anything we can use here. So which property is coming in this one? We will check. First one, this both of them, x like is there. X like we are seeing means same angle you are seeing means same gap you are seeing means it is vertically opposite angle. So y equal to 130 degree. Solution, y equal to 130 degree because vertically opposite angles. Okay, and this part, this transversal, L transversal we are seeing means this is a line, and 50 and x is making a linear pair here. So 50 and 50 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree, linear pair of angles. And x is equal to 180, bring the 50 here, minus 50, it is 130 degree. X is 130 degree. So this is also 130 and this is also 130. So this is Z type. See, it is Z type alternative interior angles. Here this will give us 1, this is 2. X is equal to y, that is 130 degree. It is coming as alternative interior angles are equal. AB is parallel to CD. Alternative interior angle equal will come only for parallel lines only. So from this we are proving that AB is parallel to CD. In the sum they given us AB is parallel to CD as well as CD is parallel to EF. So AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF means these both of them parallel to the same thing. So we can take AB is parallel to EF. Okay. So AB is parallel to EF we are getting means forget about this line. This line we forgot. Now it is C, it is forming an Z here. See, this is coming as Z. So X is equal to Y means alternative interior angles. Okay. Then here Y is to Z they given as Y is to Z they given as 3:7. So the Z part is here one small X and Z are equal. Okay. And at the Z place we can replace as X, it is 3:7. That X and Y you are seeing means this is box like we can see. So it is interior angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. In the sum C, AB is parallel to CD they given, okay, and EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD, that means EF is meeting, this is 90 degree it is forming. And angle GED is 126 degree. This complete angle is 126 degree. And find AGE. Find AGE they are asking here. And GEF, this only we have to find. Then FGE, this also we have to find. 3 works they given to us. Okay, easy. First we will check A, this GED they given 126, completely 126 degree, that we will take. This completely 126 degree. In that one, this one part FE. FE is this much 90 degree. What is this angle? We can easily find. What we will do? Adjacent angles we will write. Angle GEF, angle GEF plus angle FED. These both angles only GED. These combination only GED. Okay, this combination only GED. Now then this one, this total how much they given? 126 degree they given. In this one angle GEF we have to find, but angle FED we have. Angle FED is what? 90 degree. So we will apply the 90 degree here and angle GEF. Now angle GEF is 126 degree minus 90 degree. It will be 36 degree. So this part only 36 degree to us. Then AGE, this AGE and GED are equal. How? AGE and GED same width only we can see in this gap. So it is alternative interior angle because it is a parallel line, so we can use alternative interior angle. Angle AGE is equal to angle GED, that is 126 degree. Alternative interior angles. Then now two part over, this over, this over. We can able to find this part also. How we can find FGE? They ask to FGE. FGE, this FGE we want means, if I am finding this one means we can make Z, or this line itself we can make. To find the FGE, we will take this line. Okay? To find FGE. FGE, this part I know 126 degree. This only I know, I want. This only I want. So what we have to do? We will add these two angles. This is a line, so linear pair of angles we can use. So 126 degree plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree. Now you bring this side and subtract this one. FGE is 180 degree minus 126, 54 degree. So we found all the answer here. AGE, how you find AGE? AGE, just alternative interior angles. And this part, how we found this balance part, this small piece, from 126 we subtract 90, then we got 36. Then this part how we will find, how you find from GFE only. EGF, how you find linear pair of angles. This property is linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Okay. In the sum, they given PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST. And PQR they given us, PQR they given us 110 degree. Then RST they given us 130 degree. Find QRS. Where is QRS? QRS is here. This small piece. We have to find this one, QRS. If parallel lines are there means we can use some properties, that is interior angles, alternative interior angle, alternative exterior angle, corresponding angles, alternative angles on the same side of the transversal. It is its sum if you are adding means 180 degree. Then vertical opposite angles we can take. Then if one line is there means linear pair of angles. These things we can able to take. But what the disadvantage here? there is no parallel line. Here we cannot be able to see any parallel lines. So what we can do, we will make a parallel line from one path. Through R we will make a parallel line. Why I am selecting this side? Why not this one? Because this, see here, this part is, it is looking like Z. So this complete will be alternative interior angles 110 degree you will get. Clear? Then 110 degree, using that one we will equate and find this one. So then only this part, and one more angle here we are having. So this part is box like it is here, no. So it is box like it is here. So we can find this angle also by using alternative angles on the same side of the transversal. Sum is 180 degree. If this box type is there, means if I am adding these two parts, this will produce 180 degree. So we can be able to find this using this property. Then we can subtract and get this one. Then only this side we are drawing, this side not. Okay. So first we are drawing construction, draw a line parallel to ST through R we are doing. Then we will take this part. Okay. ST is parallel to this RU, something you will put. Okay. Parallel to RU. Now angle TSR plus angle URS is equal to 180 degree. How? Alternative angles on the same side of transversal. Transversal is what? Just a line connecting this part, these parallel lines. That line only, SR. Transversal here, SR. Yes. Alternative angles on the same side of transversal. Sum is 180 degree. That means supplementary. That we will take. So this both is 180 degree. We know TSR, that is 130 degree. So URSS 130 minus 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. This part is 50. Now this both of them, this part, see here PQ, RU, it is Z like is there. Alternative interior angles we can take. Copy it. Now angle PQR, okay, angle PQR is equal to angle URQ. PQR is 110 degree, this URQ is 50 plus QRS. So QRS we want means subtract 50 from 110, we will get 60. This part is 60 degree. This is our next sum in this exercise. Concept to be thorough, property should be learned properly, then only this sum is able to solve. If you learn the properties very well, you can easily solve the sum within a minute. Okay? I hope you will everyone study the property properly and practice well. Now we will see here in the sum what I given. AB is parallel to C. Now we will apply here by looking this itself we can be able to understand A, P, Q and R. This part is Z like is there? No. So we can be able to take alternative interior angle. So X is what? 50. And similarly, this part you come back side, you come this like this you are going means this complete is 127 degree. Okay, so first we will write the solution. Angle APQ. Angle APQ is equal to RQP. It is 50 degree. Now this is 50 degree over. They are asking x only, no x before. Then y is what? This side you take. This you have to write alternative interior angles are equal. Then this back side you take. This is it. Like this. 127. And here 50 and y is also 50 plus y. This total. This total is 50 plus y. So 50 plus y equal to 127 degree. That is also alternative interior angles. Angle, this is what APR, angle APR only 50 plus y, and this part is DRP or PRD, given is PRD. Okay. So y is what? 127 minus 50. 7, and from 12 5 is going means 7. This is our final answer in this one. This is our sixth sum. In the sum, the given information is what? In figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. PQ and RS, two mirrors, they are parallel, like this parallel, they are placing. An incident ray AB is incident ray, it strikes the mirror PQ, this line PQ and B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC, it is reflecting and going along BC and strikes the mirror RS, this RS at C, then again reflecting, from that reflecting back CD is reflecting. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. These two lines we have to prove as parallel. For this one, what we have to do? If alternative interior angles, this angle and this angle same means, that time we can take AB as parallel to CD, reversely. Up to now, from parallel we took alternative interior angles. Now what we are going to do? If alternative interior angles are equal means, then that lines are parallel. Like that we are going to prove that reversely. For this we need something here. We are going to do the physics concept here. What does it mean? Angle of incidence. Here first construction we are doing. One BL is perpendicular we are drawing here. L. Similarly, CM we are perpendicular to this one we are drawing here. And the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Similarly, here angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is physics concept. We studied in radite also this concept there. Now we will proceed the procedure. Here in the first part we are taking means ABL equal to LBC. Due to the physics concept, incident angle is equal to angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That we will take. Angle ABL. Come on, do with me. Don't sleep. Don't look here and there. Look at here. ABL, LBC. Angle of LBC. This is angle. This is L. Don't get confusion. Okay. LBC. That is angle of incidence LBC. It is in the concept of angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay? Why ma'am physics is coming in maths like that? Don't ask me, it will come. So we have to solve this now. So all the concept we have to take. Now we will take this part. LBCM, that only we will take. LBCM. It is looking like alternative interior angle. So we will write angle LBC is equal to angle MCB. It is due to alternative interior angles. This will keep us 2. Then third one is come to this point. This point we will come. Here also we will take angle this part, from this part we will take angle DCM or MCD, both of them same only, okay, and DCM or MCD, angle MCD, this is our third. Now combine this one from 1, 2 and 3. Check here. Here LBC is there? No. So this property is this only, same only, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. See here, LBC, LBC. So LBC place we can replace MCD. And this MCB, in this place we can replace MCD. First we write angle ABL is equal to LBC place we will replace with angle MCB. Now angle MCB is what? Angle MCB is MCD. So we will write MCD. ABL is angle ABL is here only and MCD is here only. To connect this one here we need what? LBC as well as MCB. We are having LBC and MCB in this second part. So we will add 4 and 2. Angle ABL plus angle LBC, ABL, LBC is equal to angle MCB plus angle MCD. This combination is angle of ABC. ABC. This combination is BCD. It is alternative interior angles. Okay. Alternative interior angles we know. Therefore, what is this standing? Which line it is standing? AB and line CD only it is coming. So AB is parallel to CD. Ex6.2.